To easily monitor Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra and connected device battery from your lock screen, you have to add 2x1 battery status widget to the lock screen widget bar. To do so, long tap on an empty area on your home screen, and then tap wallpaper and style. Tap the lock screen thumbnail. Here you can see a widget bar just below the clock. It may show add widget or already have widget. Tap the bar to show up the widget list. Tap battery and then select 2x1 battery status widget. Tap done button to save the change. To see the result, go to your lock screen. As you can see, the 2x1 battery status widget will now be visible beneath the clock. This widget displays both your phone's battery percentage and the battery level of connected device like your Galaxy Watch or Buds. Given to the function, adding 2x1 battery status widget on your lock screen will let you easily see your phone and connected device battery level right from your lock screen. It's a smart way to stay powered up without unlocking your phone or opening any apps. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.